Hello everyone, welcome back to the Wolf. So as of now, today is Friday and talking about this entire week about crypto. And if you have watched my last video last week, I told you all that when the price of Bitcoin made an all-time high, coming approximately at $120,000 level, I told you all that there are very high chances that the price of Bitcoin can fall from here, because obviously the price of Ethereum, Solana and other main cryptos were also near their important level of resistance, and Bitcoin also is just seeing a lot of upside pressure, a lot of bullish pressure towards the upside, and obviously it is just overbought. As you can see, we have seen a big green candle over here on 10th of July with a huge volume, and after that small candles, and volume was also dying, and there was not a good amount of volume also in the price of Bitcoin, and the all-time high was 122k approx, and after that the price of Bitcoin has dumped all the way down till 115 and $114,000. Well, I'll be really honest, this is nothing for the price of Bitcoin. This is not even a dump, this is not even a, I would say, any some sort of correction also. This is just normal price movement. A real dump I expect in the price of Bitcoin is somewhat over here at $92,000. This is what I expect, a real dump in the price of Bitcoin. But let's see when this happens, and definitely I'll enter in a long trade or maybe in a short trade when the price of Bitcoin comes near the $92,000 level. But as of now, I'm not entering in any new trade in Bitcoin. Why? Because as of now it's near its all-time high, and going long over here is just crazy according to me, and going short over here is very risky because, see, I mean, yeah, many people will say, yeah, there are high chances that the price of Bitcoin can dump from here, it is already overbought and other things. But whenever any asset is near its all-time high, it is very risky to go short, because it can just spike again towards the upside. No one knows exactly from where it will dump, right? So as of now, I'm not taking any trade in Bitcoin, and it's better to take trade in other crypto assets according to me, rather than taking a trade in an asset which is near its all-time high, as it is risky. But what I generally do is that I overall do a small analysis on Bitcoin. Like for example, I predicted over here that the price of Bitcoin can fall towards the downside. So at the same time, I may enter in a short position in other cryptocurrencies if I find a good setup on them. Not like just randomly blindly going short and long betting. No, that's not how trading is done. And also, don't copy trade me. These are not financial advice. This is just what I'm sharing on my personal behalf. Alright, these are just my analysis. Talking about Ethereum, as of now I'm on the Ethereum's daily time frame chart, and when the price of Bitcoin was pumping, the price of Ethereum finally pumped towards the upside incessantly. We have seen a huge growth, huge pump in the price of Ethereum, because as you can clearly see, for the past couple of months the price of Ethereum was just dumping towards the downside. It was in a lower trend, and as you can clearly see, I entered over here exactly at the bottom in a long position trade at $1,500, and it was a very good trade. I closed my trade almost over here, and some of my trade that was running, and I took partial profits, and my final trade was exactly over here. I exited my final trade exactly over here when the price dumped towards the downside. After that, as you can clearly see, the price of Ethereum is just pumping in a straight line parabolically towards the upside. If you have watched my previous video, you already know I told you all that after the price of Ethereum has done a breakout of this important purple zone. So this is a very important zone for Ethereum, from $2,500 to $2,700, and after the price of Ethereum has done a breakout of this, the next level, the next, I would say, kind of a little bit important level for Ethereum is this white zone over here, from $3,300 to $3,500. And after that, the most important zone for Ethereum is this purple resistance zone, from $3,800 to $4,000 approx. And as you can clearly see, Ethereum is giving back-to-back green candles over here, and in just one go it did a breakout of this white zone also, and exactly touched over here at the purple level of resistance. Well, this is a very important level of resistance, and when the price of Ethereum touched this resistance, I knew that for the next couple of days and weeks the price of Ethereum will now be sideways, or maybe dump a little bit. Why? Because we have already seen a lot of buying pressure in the price of Ethereum, and the bulls are now exhausted. They have already broken multiple resistance, here also, and now they are facing the ultimate resistance. So it will be very hard for bulls to do a breakout of this resistance as well. Also, one more important thing I want to share with you guys is that I hope you already know this important level of support and resistance, from 2500 to 2700. The price of Ethereum did a breakout of it without a retest. So I expect the price of Ethereum to dump from here towards the downside all the way down till here, $2,700 level, to complete this retest. Let's see when will this happen, but definitely I'll enter in a short position in Ethereum if I find a good trade. But as of now, I'm not taking any trade in Ethereum also. Obviously, I'm not going long. This is not a right time to enter in a long position according to me, according to the technical analysis. And I may enter in a short position, but only if I find a good setup, which as of now I'm not finding. So it is better to just wait and let's see what the market has to offer. In the end, I'm on the Solana's daily time frame chart, and as you already know, I made a previous video about Solana that I told you all that the price of Solana has to come down till this important purple zone of support, from $119 to $123. And I'm not saying this out of thin air, like I'm saying this because I know that this purple zone is a very important support zone and resistance zone for Solana. And as you can clearly see, the price of Solana came till $125 and reversed back up, and it never came down till $123. And as you can clearly see, the price of Solana, again same like Ethereum, back to back green candles, and then boom. As we can clearly see, the price is again dumping over here. Well, I'll be really honest, I still expect the price of Solana to come all the way down till $123, and I'm pretty sure it will come down. I'm just waiting for the price of Solana to again break this level towards the downside. As soon as it breaks this level towards the downside and it also does a retest, I will definitely enter in a short position. So this is a very important white zone for Solana, from $168 to $175. And as soon as Solana breaks this zone towards the downside, exactly at the time of retest, I will enter in a short position on Solana, because I have a plethora of confidence in that trade. So if that trade plays out, then definitely it will be a very good short trade for me. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say about Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana and overall crypto. As of now, we have already seen a huge bullish rally in the crypto market, and right now it is just sideways. I won't say it is dumping, but it is just sideways as of now. And to be honest, I'm just avoiding this market because anything can happen. Obviously the whole market is manipulative, and it is always better to take high conviction trades only. And don't copy trade me. This is not personal or any financial advice. This is just my own thoughts that I'm sharing. Like, that's what I believe, that's what I think. Okay, and yeah, this is pretty much it. And as I said, in Solana, if I find a good setup in Solana to go short, then I will personally go short on Solana. But as of now, I'm not taking any trade neither in Solana, Ethereum and Bitcoin, and I'm just waiting. And if you want to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum or Solana, or just buy any crypto or trade any crypto you want, you can do that on Bybit. The link of Bybit is in the description below, in the comments as well. You can create an account for free, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.